Dementia is a syndrome. A syndrome is a collection of symptoms, not in and of itself a disease. So somebody may have cancer. That we consider a syndrome. And the collection of symptoms that they have on account of their cancer is going to be determined by what type of cancer they have. The same thing is true with dementia. In dementia, a syndrome that is defined by declining thinking ability along with, this is what distinguishes it from other parts of aging, functional decline. A person is no longer able to take care of themselves in the way that they normally were able to do so. They may need help paying bills. They may no longer be able to drive a car safely. They may have trouble managing their medications. They may no longer be able to figure out how to work the washing machine, although washing machines are getting awfully complicated. So that's dementia. Cognitive impairment, decline in thinking, along with functional impairment, the loss of ability to take care of oneself in one's normal way. You may hear the term ADRD bandied about. That stands for Alzheimer's disease and related dementias. And it's a good way to remind yourself that dementia is not a disease. Alzheimer's disease is a disease. It's the single most common cause of dementia, but there are many other related disorders, other diseases that can cause the dementia syndrome state. Other conditions that can cause dementia would include vascular dementia, once upon a time thought to be the second most common cause of dementia. Now probably it's been demoted to the third most common, the second most common being an entity called dementia with Lewy bodies, made somewhat famous in recent years because it's what Robin Williams had. And when he passed away, a lot of attention was paid to dementia with Lewy bodies. Similar to Alzheimer's disease in a lot of ways, also different from Alzheimer's disease in a lot of ways. So the fourth entity that sort of rounds out what I think of as the big four is what we call frontotemporal dementia. This is a very complicated group of dementias, actually, and it's what Bruce Willis has.